In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Canva. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to crop an image in Canva. Cropping is a simple way to highlight the most important part of a photo, improve composition, or remove distracting edges. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to refine any image in just a few clicks. First, open Canva and your design. You can launch Canva in your browser or the desktop app. Then open the design you're working on from your recent projects. If you're starting fresh, create a design in the size you need and place your image on the canvas. Today, we're focusing specifically on the cropping step, so once your image is on the page, you're ready to go. Click on the image you want to crop. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around it. If you click and nothing happens, make sure you're selecting the image layer itself, not a background or text element that might be sitting on top. On the top toolbar, click Crop. This switches the image into cropping mode and shows a visible frame. You'll notice the edges and corners become adjustable, so you can decide exactly what stays in view. Drag the corners or sides of the cropping frame to adjust the image. Dragging a corner scales the crop proportionally, which is handy for keeping your subject balanced. Dragging aside trims just the width or height, great for tightening the composition. As you adjust, keep an eye on the visual balance. Placing key elements along the grid intersections or roughly a third of the way from an edge often creates a more pleasing composition. Leave a bit of breathing room around faces, logos, or text so nothing feels cramped. Move the image within the frame if needed. Click and drag inside the image to reposition it behind the crop window. This lets you recenter your subject, straighten a horizon, or cut out distractions without changing the size of the crop frame. Think of it like sliding a photo behind a matte window until it looks just right. Click Done when you're satisfied with the crop. Canva will apply the change to your design. Don't worry, this is non-destructive, so you can select the image and click Crop again anytime to fine-tune or undo your adjustments as your layout evolves. And that's how you crop an image in Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.